A lot of what you view and how you interact with the Vertigo system is going to be dependent on how you set up your study settings. The study settings can be customized by going into the navigation bar and clicking on the study settings button, which will bring up the study settings page. So if you look on the study settings page, there are three critical items. The first one is going to be the fault tolerance calculation mode. The amount of fault tolerance that's required for different safety instrumented functions changes depending on what standard you're looking at. So in Vertigo, we allow you to use the 2003 version of the IEC 61511 standard, or you can switch to the 2016 version of the IEC 61511 standard. So we did that specifically so that you can keep your historical calculations correct without forcing them to have the method by which the fault tolerance is calculated change. So if you have old reports that have been done with the 2003 version of the standard, the fault tolerance calculations will remain in the 2003 methodology until you manually change to the 2016 version by going into the study settings here. The next button is the failure rate library. By default, you're going to be pulling information like failure rate data or safety requirements, specification requirements out of the Kenexis standard template, but you can also select any other custom library that you or your organization has developed. And then finally, the last section is SIS tracked fields, or SRS tracked fields. So this is for all of those worksheets, and it contains that superset of all of the information that you might want to track for any particular data sheet. So looking at the IPF data sheet in the HAZOP reference section, you'll see that everything is unchecked. And if we wanted, for instance, to include the HAZOP report name or description in the IPF worksheet, we simply do that by clicking this button. Then next time we look at the form or print a report, that data is going to be shown. So all of that is manipulable from the study settings section.